Welcome to the channel. My name is Louis Simon, and today we're going to talk about how to trademark your business name, step by step. If you're starting a new brand or company, this video will help you understand what a trademark is, why you need one, and how to file it correctly. Let's get started. What is a trademark? A trademark is a name, logo, slogan, or design that identifies your business and separates it from others. It helps customers recognize your products or services and prevents competitors from using something too similar. In the US, trademarks are registered through the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. Why register a trademark? Technically, just using your business name gives you common law rights. But if you want strong nationwide protection, you should register it federally with the USPTO. Here's the difference between the two. Common law protects only in your local area. Someone in another state could still use the same name. Federal registration gives you nationwide ownership, the R symbol, and lets you take legal action if someone copies your brand. It also helps you fight counterfeiters, fake websites, and domain name squatters. Filing basis explained. When you file, you'll need to choose your filing basis. Basically, whether you're already using your business name or plan to use it soon. Use in commerce. You're already selling products or services under this name. You'll need to show proof, like your website or product packaging. Intent to use. You haven't started selling yet, but you plan to. You'll have to prove actual use later before it becomes official. Types of trademarks. Strong versus weak. Not all trademarks are created equal. Some are easy to protect, others are nearly impossible. Let's go over a few examples. Generic marks, like coffee shop, not protectable. Descriptive marks, like cold and creamy ice cream weak, unless they become famous. Suggestive marks like Netflix, good balance, usually accepted. Arbitrary marks like Apple for computers, strong choice. Fanciful marks like Google or Nike, the strongest protection. If you're choosing a new name, go for something unique and creative, not too literal. What you can't trademark? Your application can be rejected if your business name is too generic, like bicycle company, too similar to an existing registered name, or likely to confuse customers because another business already uses something close. That's why research before applying is so important. Now let's go over how to trademark your business name, step by step. If you've never filed a trademark before, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process clearly and simply. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before filing, make sure your business name is unique, distinctive, and not descriptive or generic. A creative name is easier to trademark and much stronger legally. Step 2. Search the USPTO database. Next, visit the Trademark Electronic Search System, TSS, at tmsearch.uspto.gov. Here, you can search to see if a similar name or logo already exists. If someone has already registered a mark that's close to yours, you'll need to modify or choose a new name before filing. Step 3. File the application. Once your name is clear, it's time to file your trademark application through uspto.gov using TEAS, the Trademark Electronic Application System. Choose your filing basis. Either use in commerce if you're already selling under that name, or intent to use if you plan to launch soon. You'll need to submit your business details, a description of services, and a specimen showing how your name appears on your product, website, or packaging. Step 4. Track the application. After submission, you can track your trademark's progress using the Trademark Status and Document Retrieval (TSDR) system. It usually takes 6 to 16 months for the USPTO to review and approve a trademark, depending on how complex the case is. And that's it. That's how you trademark your business name step by step. Protecting your name isn't just about ownership, it's about building credibility, trust, and long-term value for your brand. If you'd like professional help, check out Trademark Registration Agency, one of the top trademark filing services in the US. They've filed over 100,000 trademarks nationwide, helping entrepreneurs and businesses protect their brands with confidence. Their experienced attorneys handle everything, from your search to final approval, so you can focus on growing your business. Visit trademarkregistrationagency.com today and secure your brand's future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below if this guide helped you understand the process better. Thanks for watching. I'm Lewis Simon, and I'll see you in the next one.